Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course here guys, I have a device which is the Bluetooth O2, and this is the solar charge controller attachment, and of course this connects to your solar charge controller. As you can see up here, this is the solar charge controller that takes the power from the solar panels, and then it manages the charging of your batteries. This is a MPPT 60 amps. It might be different in your case. They can look a variety of ways. I'll show you another one. Here is another, and they can take on various forms. Now, of course, for eco-worthy, this is the one that they use. It's the BTO2, and it's the charge controller. Now, it's connected by Ethernet cable. The cable which you see along the left side here connects to that special port there, and it clips right in. And as you can see here, it's quite easy to set up. It does come with a user manual. You can actually screw this to the wall with either side. And of course, you see it shows link and power. Power indicate that the device is being powered. Once you plug it in, it should be powered. If you see the link blinking red, it's not connected. It's blinking green, now indicating that it's connected. And it says BTO2 for solar charge controller. And of course, it gives you a setup button to the base down here, and of course a reset button, and it shows you that it communicates by COM RS485. And of course this accompanied with the app, and the app uses Bluetooth, so it uses Bluetooth, that's the BTO2. So it uses Bluetooth, and of course it will feed the data from your device to the app, and you can actually tell how much solar power is generated and information about the battery. I'll show you the app in a minute. And of course, if you check this out guys, it is quite simple and it's straightforward. It's easy to set up as well. You can refer to the manual for the setup process, and it only takes a few seconds. I'll have a separate tutorial on how to troubleshoot this device to fix it, especially how to get the app working. All right, so this is just a tour of it right now. Next, I'll show you the app itself and what are the features. Alright guys, so here I've recorded my screen, and of course I'm going to show you the app for the Bluetooth device. And here you go, so go ahead and find the app. It is marked right here, it says Eco Worthy, so we're going to go ahead and launch the Eco Worthy app. Alright, so once you're in the Eco Worthy app, you'll see it says Bluetooth, and of course I've already configured the device, and of course depending, you might just have one. In my case I have two. You can see the MAC address and so on. I'm just gonna go ahead and select the first one, which is connected, which is the one I just showed, and of course give it some time. It says connected, and as you can see here, it gives you a preview of the device that it's connected to. Notice here you can see a number of settings such as the PV voltage coming in, the load. Some of these buttons do not work. It shows you total generated in kilowatt hours, shows you the battery capacity, shows you the charging current, charge power, output voltage, load current, and total load power consumption. You can go over to the data tab, and of course it will give you a month's representation of the amount of power that's generated. All right, so here what I'll do here is you can see and you can select. So I'll start from the extreme right. You can see the amount of power generated, and you can see it day by day, and you can see the average. It shows also the power consumed, but in this particular model for some reason the power consumed doesn't really show up as much. But notice 1.66 shows you 165, and it goes straight through, and you can see according to the date, 5th or the 31st. If we come to the latest days here, you can see 1.87, and it will show you like today you have only consumed that amount, and you can see the day before it is 1.7. So it does give you a total summary. You can go to a year, and of course it will show you the year and the amount generated. All right, so you can see here, and of course everything works fine. And this is the basics of the app. You can go back home, and there's nothing to select out here, but you do get the basic data. Okay, on the following video, I'll show you how to get more detailed information as well as how to fix problems where the app is not working. All right, so do hope you enjoy this tutorial, and as always, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.